Stop.
Okay. What is it? Come on, let's go.
Stop. Wait. Nice and calm and quiet. No screaming. No loud noises. He's the head of the game. Hey, Jojo, come behind. Jojo.
Joseph?
Hang on. Bring Luke and Mary Kate.
Mary Kate, come here. I have no idea what it is, but I'm super duper excited. Mom said that we might.
Don't make such a ruckus.
Mom said that we're definitely gonna like it. Wait, what is it? We'll see. What is it?
Okay, no noise.
What? Wait, did she have her kittens? Did she have her kittens? Oh my gosh! Oh my god!
Hey, Tony, don't pet him.
Oh my god!
Hey, Tony, step back, man.
Oh my god!
So cute. But Dorothy, that's not where she had them.
Oh, don't tell her.
She had them on her bed. Had them on Dorothy's bed.
And there was a pretty big mess.
Oh my god!
And she tucked under your comforter. She scooted under it. And when I came up and found her, she was all sweaty. And they were like they were all like underneath your comforter.
How many are there?
4.
Oh my god!
And they're all alive. That's
They're all
pretty good.
alive.
Hey, Dorothy.
You guys don't get too far close.
Can one of them, Callie's hand is covering. She's with her.
Yeah, I see that.
You see, one is dark and 2 are white,
Hey, Mary,
and one
Mary,
is
no.
checkered.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
Super cute.
Wait, where's the fourth? Oh. Yeah, 2 are white, one is like grayish. And...
I've already named one of them Sunburn.
Hey,
Sunburn.
guys. They're so cute.
Sunburn.
Diego? No, Joe, stop. What's
Dad,
the basket
did you
for?
hear her
No.
in the day?
Wait, this morning, after you guys went to school, she was meowing like, yeah, it's going to happen
yeah?
today. She was walking and going, meow.
Oh, you have instinct. You know what's going on.
And then I'm like, well, go outside. You know, I don't want you inside. And then I came back
really?
and she
You
was
got her
upstairs.
out?
Well, in the morning. And then
Oh.
when I came back and she was upstairs and she was lying down and she was like, she was panting. We
Wait,
were a
were
little
they-
bit worried at first because she didn't look real well, actually.
Were they like all safe and stuff, or did you have to like pick something
Oh
up?
no, she was
No, they
licking
were all
them. They
good.
were all wiggling.
Look at their tails. They're like so
I
small.
know.
Hey, Tony, don't pet him. Go pet him.
So we're
Yeah.
either keeping like a gray or a white one.
How many are we gonna keep?
How many can we get rid of?
One. No, we're only keeping one. We're keeping one in common.
Well, what's that from